Shiba Inu whales have recently made significant moves, impacting the crypto space. Thanks to the transparency of blockchain technology, we can analyze their strategies. Following these whales, who hold millions in Shiba Inu tokens, might be a smart move. Here's the twist: in the last 24 hours, they took an unexpected turn, surprising everyone. So, what exactly did they do, and why is it crucial for everyone, even if you hold just one Shiba Inu token? Let me explain. Disclaimer **: in a recent report by LukinChain, a Shiba Inu whale deposited a staggering 365 billion Shiba Inu tokens into Binance, the largest crypto trading platform. This move, executed within a 24-hour period, utilized tokens from 5 different wallets. LukinChain suggests that this massive deposit could be an attempt to capitalize on the profits from these addresses. The speculation arises from Shiba Inu's recent performance, particularly considering the lower acquisition cost of the tokens by the whale. The market tracker noted that the same value of Shiba Inu tokens was withdrawn from Binance by the whale about 2 months ago, between November 17 and December 27, 2023. At that time, the tokens were valued at slightly over $3 million. However, the recent disclosure indicates that the deposited tokens held a value exceeding $5.7 million at the time of the transaction. LukinChain estimates a potential profit of $2.5 million for the trader based on these market movements. With Shiba Inu's latest surge, trading with a 34% gain within the last 24 hours, the whale's portfolio now stands at almost $8 million. This substantial increase from the initial $3 million valuation suggests a potential profit of over $4.7 million should the investor choose to liquidate their holdings. Adding to the intrigue, Tron founder Justin Sun recently transferred 20 billion Shiba Inu tokens to PONC, an exchange affiliated with his crypto empire. This transfer, valued over $500,000, occurred during a bullish period within the broader crypto ecosystem. For those unfamiliar with Justin Sun, he is the founder of Tron, a cryptocurrency with a market cap in the tens of billions. Interestingly, Shiba Inu, which was once trading below Tron, rapidly surpassed it in just a matter of days, now boasting a larger market cap. The timing of Justin Sun's recent Shiba Inu transfer during a bullish market raises eyebrows. This is not the first time he has made significant moves. On January 18, Sun withdrew almost 80 billion Shiba Inu from Binance, valued at $750,000 at the time. In December, wallets linked to Justin Sun withdrew a substantial 577 billion Shiba Inu, equivalent to around $6 million, from Binance. These actions have established Sun as one of the top 5 whales known for regular Shiba Inu movements. Industry insiders speculate on the motives behind these transactions. One plausible explanation is the likelihood of a burn contribution from Sun, a common practice in the crypto space. From a recent Twitter post by Lucy, the Shiba Inu burn portal was just opened. If Justin Sun decided to contribute to the Shiba Inu burn, it would be a significant move. However, the recent transfer of 20 billion Shiba Inu to PONC raises concerns about a potential sell-off. On the other hand, some experts suggest that Sun may be aiming to bolster Shiba Inu's liquidity on the PONC exchange. As the crypto community closely watches these intriguing developments, it remains to be seen whether Justin Sun's Shiba Inu maneuvers are driven by strategic considerations or if they signal broader shifts in market dynamics. With Shiba Inu market dynamics evolving rapidly, a prudent strategy that many investors are now implementing is known as taking profits. This tactic gains significance, especially in the context of Shiba Inu's recent meteoric rise, achieving massive price spikes within just a couple of days. Taking profits becomes a crucial consideration for investors as the value of Shiba Inu surges. The allure of potential gains can be compelling, but the crypto market is known for its volatility. When a crypto asset experiences substantial and rapid price increases, as seen with Shiba Inu, it introduces an element of risk that shouldn't be ignored. In the world of crypto investing, the mantra buy low, sell high is often echoed, and taking profits aligns with this principle. As Shiba Inu investors witness their holdings skyrocket in value, the importance of strategically securing gains comes to the forefront. It's a strategy that balances the excitement of a bullish rally with the practicality of safeguarding profits. But what if you missed this wave of Shiba Inu price gains, or perhaps the recent surge left you hungry for more, eager to explore the potential for further growth? Well, you're not alone. Shiba Inu has become a magnet for new entrants into the crypto space. Just after Bitcoin and Ethereum, it captures the attention of enthusiasts drawn in by its meme-inspired nature and that irresistibly cute dog logo. So, as the Shiba Inu narrative continues to captivate the crypto community, let's turn our attention to what analysts are saying about its future. Has the bull run for Shiba Inu concluded, or are we witnessing just the beginning of a much larger story? The allure of this meme-inspired cryptocurrency goes beyond its charismatic logo, prompting many to wonder what's next for Shiba Inu. Is there more room for growth, or was the recent surge merely a prelude to greater things? Stick around as we dive into the insights and predictions surrounding Shiba Inu in the upcoming days. Diving into the world of Shiba Inu predictions, we encounter popular crypto community influencer Oscar Ramos, who stands out with his notably bullish outlook on this meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Ramos boldly anticipates Shiba Inu not just breaking its previous all-time high but surging to an impressive 3.0 level in the current market cycle. Ramos grounds his predictions in his wealth of experience, having observed Shiba Inu's performance en route to its high in October 2021. According to him, the recent rally is just a glimpse of what's to come. Ramos confidently asserts, it is 100% accurate and it's just going to happen. Backing his conviction, Ramos cites an article by the Crypt Basic, suggesting that an 800% price action in a week is within the realm of possibility. This historical context, combined with market analysis, forms the foundation of his optimistic outlook. Beyond historical performance, Ramos draws comparisons between Shiba Inu and other notable assets like Ethereum and XRP. He emphasizes that if Shiba Inu can reach a higher fraction of the market value of these assets, a 3.0 price level is indeed within reach. This perspective aligns with the broader trend of investors seeking the next potential high-performing cryptocurrency. Ramos also points to Shiba Inu's standing among Ethereum whales, noting that despite Ethereum's price not surging significantly compared to the broader market, when it does, it tends to lift other Ethereum-based tokens. Shiba Inu, being one of them, stands to benefit from this ripple effect. As the crypto bull market unfolds, Ramos sees it as being in its early stages. He points out the upcoming Bitcoin halving, scheduled for April 2024, historically associated with the best returns in a post-halving period. Furthermore, he anticipates the potential for an altcoin season, where most coins outperform Bitcoin. According to market analysts, such a season typically follows a Bitcoin all-time high. Despite the optimism, Ramos provides a cautionary note, advising investors to be vigilant. He suggests keeping a close eye on market conditions and warns against holding on to Shiba Inu or any other asset when prices become delusional, indicating a potential bubble. In his words, abandon the Shiba and run when such situations arise. The importance of strategic decision-making in a volatile market is a key theme in Ramos's perspective on Shiba Inu's future trajectory. Considering the potential for Shiba Inu to reach the forecasted 3.0 price levels, the stakes for investors become even more intriguing. For those holding 100 million Shiba Inu tokens, currently valued at around $2,600, a surge to 3.0s could catapult the worth of these assets to $10,000. Meanwhile, those with a larger appetite, possessing 500 million Shiba Inu tokens, currently valued at $13,000, might witness a substantial increase to $50,000 if Shiba Inu hits the 3.0 price level. For investors with an even more substantial stake of 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens, currently valued at $26,000, the potential for gains becomes even more enticing. Should Shiba Inu surge to 3.0s, their investment could skyrocket to $100,000. Looking further ahead, if the price reaches 2.0s, these 1 billion tokens could be worth an impressive $1 million. These projections offer a glimpse into the exciting valuations that could materialize if Shiba Inu manages to attain the anticipated price targets. However, it's crucial to approach these estimates with a degree of caution, understanding that market dynamics are unpredictable and such outcomes are subject to change based on various factors. None of this video is financial advice. Investors should exercise diligence and conduct thorough research before making any financial decisions in the crypto space. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your thoughts. If you are curious to find out more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.